Have you ever wanted to write off multiple customer invoices at one time? Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm a Microsoft MVP for D365 Finance and Supply Chain. And recently someone asked me, how can I write off multiple customer invoices across multiple customers all at one time? So typically when you're writing off customer invoices, you may be on the customer collection screen and you're putting check marks beside the invoices and saying write off. But you can also write off multiple customer invoices across many customers at one time as well. So I want to show you this. So inside of D365, you're going to go under Accounts Receivable and you're going to go into Open Customer Invoices. Here you're going to see all the invoices that have not yet been paid. So here again, you're saying all the customers, not just a specific customer, unless you, of course, want to query on that, which you simply could do. But if we go over here and look at the right-hand side, when you see the amount not settled. Now, on the surface, this looks very, okay, great, big deal, right? Because what you can do is you can do check marks over here, and at the top you can say write off, and you can write them off in a group or in one chunk if you like. But what if I don't know, maybe I want to write off everything under $100. Well, how do I do that, right? So you're looking at the screen, and it's not very obvious on how to do that. Because again, I'm clicking on invoice amount, but I can't do like largest to smallest, or do any kind of query on it, as well as the amount not settled. That's really the field you would want to do that on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it. I'm going to export all rows here. And again, you would probably want to do this for all of yours because you may have a very large database. So you may want to query on a date, for example. In fact, that's probably a better option. I should have done that on due date. I could have queried. In fact, let me do this again. So here I could say it's between, I'm going to make something up because I really don't know what my data looks like, 04/01/2026, and let's say today, which is 8/11/2026. Because again, you wouldn't necessarily want to do this for the whole thing because that'd be a little bit too much. All right, so now I'm going to have a smaller data set. So you can see this is a lot smaller. So now I'm going to right mouse and say export all rows. Once I have this in Excel, and Excel is going to open it on my other screen. So I'm going to drag it over here. I'm now going to query on the amount not settled. So here I'm going to go from smallest to largest. And let's say that I want everything, I want all these $6 ones, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight or copy this invoice number down for all the sixes to Control C. And now I'm going to go back over here into D365. And under the invoice column, I'm going to say is one of, and I'm going to do Control V and apply. So now I have those. All I have to do then is do a check mark at the top and say write off. And this is going to allow me to write all those off at one time. So now again, you can see it's spanning customers. I'm doing different dollar amounts, and it allows you to write them all off in one fell swoop. So the next time you need to do write-offs, don't sweat it. Just go to Open Customer Invoices, dump the data you're looking for, do the as is one of under invoice, and write them off. So until next time, keep your head in the clouds and keep working wise.